Let's make puppet eyes. To make puppet eyes, you need plastic spoons. You need 6 number bindis, or you could also use round shaped stickers, scissor, rubber adhesive, some cotton, a pen, felt fabric. I'm using white, black and brown color, needle and thread. So let's begin. Take your spoon and cut out the handle. I have 2 such shapes now. Next, I need my felt fabric. I'm taking white color. Using the spoon, I am drawing out a shape on the inside of the felt fabric. Draw a shape around the spoon. It should be at least 1 centimeter bigger than the shape of the spoon. Let's cut this out. Now this felt fabric will cover the spoon. But before we do that, we are going to take some cotton and put this cotton inside the spoon. So this spoon and cotton will now go on the inside of the felt fabric. So to do this, we need to stitch it up. Let's take our needle and thread. And let's start stitching the edge or the end part of the shape which we have cut out from the felt fabric. Now you place this cotton and the spoon and pull the thread from both the sides, the knot side and the needle side. Now when you are doing this, you will realize that the cotton is protruding. To avoid this, we can cut a small piece of felt and stuff it inside. And then pull the 2 threads so that it gets locked. Now secure this nicely with at least 2 knots. You could also stitch both the ends if you wish. Wow, look, my eyes are ready. Now I need the lids. So I'm going to take a brown felt, keep it under my eye in such a way that it becomes half the eye. Now I take a scissor and cut around 1 centimeter extra around it. So I have this shape here. Next I make around 4 slits which are less than 1 centimeter. And I also trim these slits. Now place this on your eye and see how it looks. Now felt fabric is a stretchable material. So when you are sticking it, pull it slightly and then stick. I'll start by applying a rubber adhesive only at the edge first. Now I'm going to stick it on the eye, and as I'm sticking, I'm going to slightly stretch the fabric. Secure the open edges. Now my two eyes are ready with beautiful lids. Let's now make a border. I'm taking a black felt here and just cutting out a small strip, which is little less than 1 centimeter. Don't make it too thin because felt fabric is a stretchable material. And as you are stretching and sticking, you'll realize that the strip will look thinner. So let's apply some Fevi Bond here, the rubber adhesive, only at the edge of the eyelid. Now I'll take the black felt fabric and I'm going to slightly pull it and then stick it. Now secure the open edges. I'll be doing the same with the other eye, like this. Now I have two beautiful eyes. Now next is the pupil. Before I stick them, I need to first mark the point because eye contact in a puppet is very important. Fix the points and then you stick your stickers. Once stickers are in place, your eyes are ready to go. So I have made eyes like these and also like these. Have fun making them.